Hi, Franny here. Today I thought I would give you a run through of one of my jean styles. I don't really do very much about jeans and they kind of are in a limited supply at this time. So the style I'm going to talk about today is called the boyfriend jeans. Not because they're my boyfriend's jeans, but because they're kind of a relaxed fit. So the boyfriend term just kind of relates to that relaxed fit sizing. The jeans that I have are suitable for maternity, they sit under your belly bump, but they're also great for mum wear as well, and also a good change for just relaxed comfy jeans if you don't want to be wearing skinny jeans at this time. Okay, so for jeans, the sizing really is related to the hip measurement. I'm not even going to tell you about the length because I don't really think the length measurement matters. That's kind of because with so many people's different heights and leg length, it's really hard to get the perfect length jean. You probably already know that from buying them, other jeans all the time. So I always think the solution for that is if the length is too long, roll them up. If the length is too short for you, roll them up as well and make them more of a cropped style. Okay, so to get the measurement, you get a tape measure, you find where your hips are, and you take like a very firm measurement around your hip. For me, that's coming up at 89, so I'll refer to the website and the size guide, which has the hip measurement. For me, that's coming up at size extra small. And like I said, don't worry about the length. For these ones, they do have a wide stretchy waistband. I'll just show you that. So if you are pregnant, it's going to sit underneath your bump. If you're a mum like me and you've got a bit of a mum tum, they're just really comfortable. With jeans, I always think it's the hip and the bum that matters. You want a good fit around that area. Okay, so here is the jean on me. You can tell it's kind of a slouch leg. For me, I actually like to roll them up, so I'm going to show you how in the cropped leg version. For me, it just feels way better wearing them like this. It's kind of a really relaxed feeling of wearing them, and I will wear them like this. I don't wear them the long way. Get a pen and mark on the pen where the knee is. And then I'll get a craft knife and cut them. Okay, so I have ripped the jeans. I use scissors and then cut not just a slit but more of an opening. I tried to use tweezers to pull the threads a little bit. That didn't work, so then I just did the edges with sandpaper. And that will get a little bit more worn and frayed over time. So I'll give you a close-up of that. So for my final look, you see I've got shorts. I've cut the legs off. Then I'll use that for spares and patches and stuff, so that's all good. But yeah, I really like this style as shorts. Very comfy. So that's a little run through of the boyfriend jeans. Please feel welcome to order online if they do take your fancy.